Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the DXY monthly, I still think this is possibly the end of a correction right here, the end of a big ABC. And if that is true, then I do believe that this is going to end up continuing the downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out these lows. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do believe that this first sensitive downtrend is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I still think it's more likely to be a wave 1. Now, this move up right here, I still think could be already have ended a correction, but it definitely on the weekly has the shape of an A, B, C. So I wouldn't be surprised if it does go up one more time to make like a wave 2 before it actually goes down and makes a bigger wave 3 to the downside. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, why I have doubts about that is because this move down right here looks like a trend. It does not look like a correction to me, which makes me think that this move up right here is probably going to be a correction to this move down. And with how impulsive up and corrective down it looks, I am starting to think that it probably is going to go up again, maybe to one of these Fibonacci levels before it actually ends up continuing the downtrend. Like I said, I still think there's a good possibility the correction is already over and that this move up that we're currently going to be getting is only going to be a correction to this move down. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, on the 4 hour time frame, we just did a big correction for a long time now, but you will notice that it is impulsive up. I did kind of change this a little bit because it's starting to look to me like an A, B, C, D, E, and it's starting to look like it's actually going to end up going back up, probably to make a wave C. I bet this is going to be an A. I bet this is like an A, B, C, D, E of B, and I think we're going to go up to make a wave C. I think it'll probably just go up, maybe take out this high, and then most likely end up continuing the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we do have a little bit of an impulsive move up right here, but we do have to be cautious because it did make 3 waves up right here. So if it does turn down impulsively, then I would say that that invalidates the idea of this being a big A, B, C, D, E, and it probably is an A, B, C like I was forecasting yesterday, and it probably will just keep on trending down. But I would only believe that if I saw a big engulfing candle to the downside, because I still am thinking that it's more likely now, especially looking at it on the longer time frames, how corrective this whole move looks. It probably is more likely that it probably will make a bigger move to the upside, probably a wave C. This is probably a wave A. This is probably an A, B, C, D, E of wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.